So good afternoon, my dear students. So today is 13 November 2021. So today is Saturday. You know? So I see that today will be the last class for this week. So last class before we have discussed already the exercise page number 7.1 ge factorize to mak loina hairamani na khalika loina haisu hairamani aduna today we'll be discussing some algebraic identities. So let me give you some formula hana khara pige the hana gi sing do continuity laina baka na koi phajana yum da kana tausika. So today we'll be discussing some algebraic identity So first, I need to get formula, so you need to by heart fast. So first is a plus b whole square. This will be equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Number 2, the a minus b whole square. This will be equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Step number 3, the a square minus b square. This will be equal to a plus b, a minus b. Then step number 4, that is formula number 4, x minus a, x plus b. Plus means along. The factorize of over the hour or equals to the until the happen money. Step number 5 Subuhan yang tabre Ubrasiba tang mayak sing da bayawi ka adu sama kaya kamera se nangai number mafam do natre ka kitang kana tawre yar base singai ti ureka. Then after that, formula number 6, a plus b whole cube, that is equal to number 6, 7 the formula ani ka factorize the decision of formula ni ka aduna sarna piri say formula ni rakhure formula di manade but they are used in different cases ka to anda ma decision arkuni. minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Now, bring on simple bring on nice clear we bring on. We brush it. Yeah, they go say, see book, you know, formula sing say. Formula sepuna, you are given 11 formula ka. Formula sing say, Simpapu Gatabanika. The formula Sikit Janabasinti, Yamalibanika. Only is that we have to know how to product of two binomials ka. When I like among the algebra and Purina, but in Janaba, we are not Tam Gidrana. The guitar for Togo Nika. At the Purisalatam Denga, say, as a hand with Amani Dang say. So what we had, like we said, a plus b whole square. That was that. So this is the first one. A plus b whole square. A plus b janira purishaloi. That was that. A plus b janira lawai. Akoi na among chapter sing the I think lower class sing the ka. She and is purina batam grabani. Nga kamaina na sa forsina memory ba the purisala ka doy natra b na mo kanata purisalani sidam purisalani kantai ko sa antari si kanala dia ngo a si purisalati we get a square fangi ka next a b laire atang da su b l laire atang da na b square laire so ani se pakai lagi ngo a square si punjan baya bro. That becomes twice ab plus b square lakunika. Semana. Entar ba sima? Tangi ka. I just simply kaino ha matamda that is the product of two binomial haibanika. Binomial ani purina bane. Entar ba siya? Ato nga sayi number 2 da lagi uduna minus layer me kala si minus layer ta gi sab manai na traga sidagi semto ke ha su yai ka. Mai layer kala the lay is a plus minus b in the Eva Brosiva Yavia Yanika. I think a sagi wherever b's are there, b like we have to replace them with minus b in a single nika. Atadi the lay second form say a square layer above Yedi Edum like Jarinatra plus twice layer a layer b minus b in a silaware. That becomes a square plus minus that become minus it will be twice ab minus b square that become plus. That was the second formula. Anisha the p formula nika. Yanta basa back saying ka sa dunenga sidagi lagi posisi yanta natra. Number 3, what we had a square minus b square that also becomes a plus b a minus b left hand side from right hand side left hand side only we are having the different sign. Amana plus low minus low bonica. And the lani a square lani Amana canal like you say small manatari plus minus a kidra and a b amana m and a canalani minus b lani and g that will be plus ka minus ka d b ama manakanano minus b with my lady nika. See the zeros are correct, therefore it becomes my tarpanika. Now, bring us go. Yandaika say Makado Tang Udre. So, only you copy up to 2. And if you would see Makadi say Tang Udreka, class and again number of the Natadana, Tankanata Reka. Yeah, Dressima formula sing then once we know the formula, let's apply some exercise question exercise question so exercise let's take it question number 1 factorize number on next test so in page number 10 I always say 95p so then I rapid check 2 na p so rapid check 2 page number 95 so question number 1 the 4m square minus m square sini ko lai da denga sidalai ko say we have learned already what are the square numbers tam gi masing samana ba ani puri salaga phanga pa masing tu ko na kari ka we have that are called square number na hai gi dra na traga na kai hai gi ba perfect square na hai gi selai masing te formula sa to ko ya na ba cd se 2 square ni bi ya bra 4 se yai like m square ni ya ba m square masai lai jare na tro se sumai le ne square common way then you take out the common so twice m whole square minus m square etc then you say the formula pan ba ya ni karamba formula no sai lai gi bada a square minus b square ito din ay nagi budini a plus b a minus b agar sila di kay lai sa a si kanana sila ni twice m na sila ni atau b na kanana sila ni n na sila ni that means it can be written as twice m plus n mana kanana twice m minus n ni ibiyan yan tapos so that is the final answer of this 4m square minus n square set sisi ke aroi ba magi answer ni yan tapos si ba kangawi okay sima sila yan Yarani. So let me take some more questions question karaga what's here kagamana da bakhanget ke tam question number 3 duga question number 4 duga yengsi question number 3 da kai lere a cube minus a so a cube minus a. Okay, lady will say how many terms there are 2 terms tamani lay that are a cube haibunga kanagana a haibunga. Hariba tamani sida what factor can be taken out as a common common factor lay a later then a can be taken out common so you will having a square minus a common log that becomes 1. So from here, a square a square 1 square Jadi kay formula lagi ang sakit mana a square minus b square ba. Tadi can be written as a this is the answer. Yan dabre masagi a sigi enum tamjare dana sigi sina kana line since I na formula se ito lagi pa formula do mana laitra si formula se pusala ini apa sih ma yang tahu apa ini so last question of today ngasih question aroy ba na question number 3 yang siya question number 4 yang ngasih for the list na kanana yan m square minus twice mn plus n square siya ko natamdam kita ubani ka makhang step to yawe atu direct formula season na hai bani na identity formula mana pi do to use so na kana matam na kai la ka ta ge go sisna m square ni ba ya ni sisna kana kai twice m into n ni ba ya bra sisna kana no n square ni ba ya ka ko na khangi formula de ngo a square minus twice ab plus b square kana ka mana hai ki ge a minus b whole square ka mana hai ki dra adi high level question sida kai lagi ngo sina m square lai re minus twice mn lai re plus n square lai re na tra ata di a ki jaga dana kana lai b ki jaga dana kana lai gi ngo kana lai ba sa a dana m lai re tumra b dana n lai re bo therefore it can be written as m minus n whole square dai ba ya ya dra siba andai ka ke single sinjala ya no ya ni ka so homa kara pi ge ngo question number ni ka ko try to ro so homa to lagi dori se question number 2 amale no re then question number 5 singa to ro gendai ka ani jim homework to ro ka lu gadra na siba ke su lu re ka em lai bani hojik nai na gi ba concept sin do pusala ga dum bot pa ya bani ka yare ka tu de pare nga ngasi gi ti sidalo shala se ayeng mu matang class ta mu thaina ro sika okay then see you all in the next class.